Twin Sisters Digital Media presents Count and Find 100 Birds and 10 Bugs. Written by Susan McClanahan. Illustrated by Polly Jordan. Count and find 100 birds and 10 bugs. Count 10 tall birds. Find 1 bug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have counted 10 birds. Count 10 small birds. Find 1 bug. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you have counted 20 birds. Count 10 wet birds. Find 1 bug. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you have counted 30 birds. Count 10 singing birds. Find 1 bug. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now you have counted 40 birds. Count 10 messy birds. Find 1 bug. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now you have counted 50 birds. Count 10 swinging birds. Find 1 bug. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now you have counted 60 birds. Count 10 cold birds. Find 1 bug. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now you have counted 70 birds. Count 10 baby birds. Find 1 bug. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now you have counted 80 birds. Count 10 bluebirds. Find 1 bug. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now you have counted 90 birds. Count 10 tired birds. Find 1 bug. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now you have counted 100 birds.